So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects and benefits of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Panadol Extra and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is paracetamol and caffeine. Paracetamol is here as 500 mg and the caffeine here is in 65 mg and its manufacturer is GlaxoSmithKline. So now let's discuss its benefits and uses. It is a very good and effective medicine. It is used as a painkiller and also as an antipyretic. It is used to treat headache, backache, toothache, rheumatic pain, muscle pain and especially period pain. So it is used to treat a wide varieties of pain, as it also contains caffeine which helps in the alertness. So now let's discuss its side effects. It has side effects on the central nervous system, cardiac system. It also has psychiatric disorders and also causes GI disturbances. So now let's discuss these side effects in detail. It can cause diarrhea, swelling, pain, and also it can increase sweating, tenderness in the upper abdomen or the stomach area. It can also cause stomach cramps or the pain in the stomach, and dizziness, headache, palpitation, arrhythmia. Arrhythmia is the irregular heartbeat or rhythm. As it contains caffeine, so it can cause insomnia, restlessness, anxiety, irritability, dehydration, anxiety, and also dependency. It can also cause skin rashes which are very dangerous, and also high blood pressure and muscle breakdown. As it also has paracetamol, so it can also cause hepatotoxicity, which is the damage of our liver. So it is a very dangerous side effects. So these are the side effects. For more details about this medicine, its side effects, its drug-drug interactions, contraindications, its indication, whether you should use it or not, and should you use it in pregnancy or breastfeeding. So for all of this detail, you can consult your pharmacist also, and do not use it without consulting your physician, as it is a painkiller but it is a medicine, so you should use it very carefully. And also tell me how you like the video, and if you have these side effects or you feel other type of side effects, so tell me in the comment section. And so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad. So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects, uses and benefits of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi. My specialty is pharmacy. I'm doctor of pharmacy, means I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Stabler and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is beta-histine dihydrochloride. It is a 16 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Nabi Qasim Industries. It is used to treat Meniere's disease. It is a histamine analog and it is used to increase blood flow in the air and also reduces the pressure in the air. So it is used to treat symptoms of Meniere's disease. Meniere's disease is a kind of disease of an inner ear which causes dizzy spells, vertigo and hearing loss, which is very dangerous. So it is used to treat the symptoms of this disease. It is also used to treat vertigo, tinnitus, hearing loss and nausea. So now let's discuss its benefits. It is a very effective medicine and it's treated very effectively. So it's a very good medicine. So now let's discuss its side effects. It can cause patient to feel sick, that the patient may feel that he or she is sick or feeling symptoms like that. It can also cause indigestion, which is the acid reflux, and also other GI complaints like bloating, which is the gas formation, and mild stomach ache, which is the pain in the stomach, headache, which is the pain in the head, and nausea also, which is the feeling of vomiting. It can also cause other things like occasional drowsiness. So these are the side effects, and it don't have too much side effects. That's a very good thing. Here the dangerous side effects of this medicine is that it can cause too much gastrointestinal complaints, which are very painful, and it may disturb the patient very badly. So here these are the dangerous side effects, as person cannot continue his work. So yes, these side effects are caused when you overdose them. Okay, if you use them in this dose or in the first or little dose, it won't affect you, as it is 16 mg tablet and it won't harm you that much. But if you use it for too long period or use in high dose, so then it will have these side effects. So you should use it very carefully, and you should use less dose as needed. Okay, and always before taking this, always consult your physician and pharmacist first, then use it on their recommendation first. So that's for today. Okay, so for more details about this medicines, its drug-drug interactions, contraindications, and whether it is good for your case or not, and should you use it or not, and should you use it in pregnancy or in breastfeeding, so for all of these details you can consult your pharmacist, and do not take it without consulting your physician. Okay, so if you want to know about more medicine or any other kind of details or any medical problem, you may also message me here in the comment section, and also subscribe my channel, so I will tell you or discuss it in the next video. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers, and tell me how you like the video, and if you have any suggestion, please write in the comment section. And take care, and Pakistan Zindabad. So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects, benefits and uses of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Clobidam lotion, and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is clobetasol propionate. It is a 20 ml lotion, and its manufacturer is Atco Laboratories. It is used to treat psoriasis. Now let's discuss in detail its indication. Okay, it is a topical corticosteroid which is used to treat short courses of psoriasis, except widespread plaque psoriasis. It is also used to treat recalcitrant eczemas, lichen planus, discoid lupus, erythematosus, and other skin conditions which do not respond satisfactorily to less active steroids. So these are the conditions which it can treat, and it has a benefit that it treats them very effectively and clean them from the base. So now let's discuss its side effects. If it is used in large amounts or its treatment is continued for a lot of days, it can cause hypercorticism, and its prolonged use may cause atrophy of skin, which is the thinning of the skin stria and dilation of superficial blood vessels. It can also cause pigmentation changes in the skin, hypertrichosis, which is very dangerous. It can also cause hypersensitivity reactions, which are very dangerous. It can also cause exacerbation of symptoms, and it also have a withdrawal symptoms and also side effects when the treatment of psoriasis is discontinuous and or it is withdrawn suddenly. It may provoke the pustular form of the disease. It means that it may worsen the condition. If you suddenly stop the treatment or its use, it may have withdrawal side effects, withdrawal symptoms, which can worsen your condition. Instead of giving you benefit, it may worsen your condition. So you should be using it very carefully. Okay, let us see its precaution and warning also. Avoid prolonged application to the face. Ensure preparation does not enter the eye, as glaucoma may result. It can cause glaucoma in the eye, which is the increase in the intraocular pressure of the eye, which is very dangerous, and it may lead to the loss of eyesight. So it is a very dangerous condition which it can cause, that is glaucoma. Clobidam should also not be used for long term, especially in children, due to the risk of adrenal suppression, which is indeed a dangerous side effect. It can also cause atrophic changes of the skin. And let us see that whether we should use it in pregnancy and lactation. So topical steroids should not be used extensively in pregnancy, not too much in pregnancy. So these were the side effects and uses and benefits of these medicines we discussed here. It is not compulsory that you have these all side effects. You could also have some side effects or you have no side effects. So these all conditions can be caused, and it varies from person to person, depends on how you use it. If you use it carefully, you won't have these side effects, but if you use it carelessly and self-medicate yourself, you may have all these side effects and you might worsen your condition. So always use this medicine on the consultation of physician and pharmacist. If you have faced other side effects, you may also share them in the comments and tell me. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel, and tell me how you like the video. And always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.